At APX Rapid Prototypes and Manufacturing, speed, precision, innovation drive everything we do. Our first advantage, rapid 3D prototyping. From concept to physical model, we deliver your custom parts in record time, often in just 24 hours. Second, our advanced materials. From ESD-safe parts to protect sensitive electronics from static discharge, to carbon fiber reinforced parts to meet high stress and temperature demands. APX Rapid can meet your specific material needs. And third, manufacturing and packaging for clean room applications. Medical, aerospace, and high-tech industries rely on our strict contamination-free standards for flawless results. Whether you're a startup innovator or a Fortune 500 company, APX Rapid Prototypes and Manufacturing takes you from idea to execution fast. Contact us today at 512-501-2723 or visit us online at apxrapid.com.